Yeah, okay.
What did Daddy Susie send you? Oh, Thomas! You knocked him off the trash. Alina knocked him off the trash, John.
Knocked him off the track.
Show the camera. What did you get? Do you love it?
Yep, it's like it's not a crazy doll.
It's not a crazy doll. He got you the crazy doll before.
Why the tracks
Say
are
thank
not
you, Daddy
brown?
CJ.
Thank you, Daddy. Why the tracks are not brown? Now one more left. Why the tracks are not brown?
Because they're covered in snow.
Oh, snow tracks.
Snow tracks. Isn't it?
Yes, the problem is having me. Ah, you stupid going. Hey, you going there. I'll run over your head. Oh no. Ah. No, please. You scared my jump.
What did you get?
Well, toys.
What's your last present, Luna?
Thank you, my name. My last present is a special thing that I really like.
What is your last present?
Oh.
A Barbie of a bicycle.
Hey, look.
Did you love
There's a
it?
toy in the window. And it's a train, not a Barbie.
Is there a toy in the window?
Yeah, and it's a train. Can I see? Can I see? Can I see? It's a train. Now for the stocking.
Wait. Daddy and Mommy have presents to open yet. You open your stocking in a minute. 1 second.